Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 13th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir had a great day today. We are up 44 cents. That's 1.86%. We closed at 24.13 and we are down post-market only 2 cents. What does this look like on the chart? We were trading below 23.74 for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. We tried to get above that and it was very hard, but yet we did not go lower than 23.10. Look at this. Support at 23.10. So nobody wanted to sell lower than 23.10 because the buyers always want to buy as low as possible, and the buyers are willing to buy at $2. I am willing to buy so many Palantir shares at $2, but nobody is willing to sell them to me at $2. So the lowest price the sellers are willing to share Palantir is at 23.10. And each time there is somebody willing to sell at 23.10, there's some buyer getting in, and then the price is moving up because of the demand. So this is how a support is working. So there's a set price in people's mind, and we don't know exactly why they have that price in mind. Some might do some fundamental calculation and say that 23.10, blah, 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 blah. Some might do this. Some might be doing lines like I'm doing. We don't really care why people are thinking 23.10. We are just discovering that people are considering 23.10 as the lowest that they want to sell the stock to. And we just act accordingly. But this is what support and resistances are. They are, I don't know if I want to say psychological numbers that people are choosing. Maybe I want to call it that. Anyway. So we were stuck under 23.74, and what did happen today? Miraculously, this has become now support. Let me just change this number to the right color. So this is now green here. So the stock was making higher lows. We have a low here, a little bit of a higher low here, but buying pressure here, and we broke 23.74, and we also broke this descending resistance, which I am now going to put in green. We are above 23.74, and we also have a resistance at 25. And if I want to be fair, I should put this also as a resistance because this was the previous bullish channel that we were in. Remember, we were in this bullish channel, but then we broke outside of it, and now we have entered this. Okay, let me just make it bigger. We have entered two bearish channels. So the first one is the one right here. So we had been into that one since, I'm going to say, September 23rd. So this is when we started going down, and we have been respecting that channel until today. Now this channel is no longer effective, but there's this other bearish channel in which we are into that is, whoops, I didn't want to move that. That is in effect. So basically, as I mentioned yesterday, the stock can be moving anywhere here without much hindrance. The stock can move and cross other resistances if it's stronger than expected, but if it's not stronger than expected, it can easily play in this area here. It can easily play here above 23.74, under this resistance line here, under this 25 line here, and under this resistance line here. So this is the play area. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, what do we have? So I guess this is an old drawing that I left there yesterday. So you see that I'm not very good at picking up my things, and you should see my room here. Okay, so we are in this upper channel. We are in this bullish channel here on the hourly chart. So yesterday we were right here and we touched a low and we bounced back up, but we were stopped stopped at 23.74. And today, the first hour, we opened above 23.74, but also above this resistance right here. So we moved quite high. So we almost touched this 24.34 resistance, came back down a little bit, and now are moving back up. So very nice move for Palantir. Very happy to see this. In terms of the indicators, well, stochastic moved a little bit, 17. One thing to mention about indicators, when a stock is dropping like a rock like this, or a vertical drop, all of the indicators are going to go berserk. And even if the stock is moving up quickly, moving back up quickly, the indicators, because they are mathematical and because some of them are looking at the 21-day period, others are looking at the 12-day period, 26 days and everything, it's going to take them a while to recover from such a big drop. So it's a little bit normal that they don't reflect perfectly the moves that we had recently and the move that we have today. So here on the daily chart, the move is very low. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay. So on the 1 hour chart, stochastic is at 82. Okay. We can understand that 82 is quite strong here. MACD is great and DMI is great. So everything is great on the hourly chart because things are starting to move back up since I would say October 8th, things have been moving back up. But now on the daily chart, it's going to take a little while. The good news is that the RSI strength index, the relative strength index, we had this descending strength that has been broken here just because of what happened today. So this says that the move that we have here is indication that there's some strength between that move. And the move that we had here on October 6th didn't have much strength because it was flatlining in terms of strength. So RSI is telling us, yes, there is something special with this move here. So we are happy to see that. MACD still has not yet recovered. It's going to take it a couple of days at least. And DMI is one of the smartest indicators. So DMI is getting close to a crossover. So maybe this could happen this week. So very good for Palantir. Let's just be happy and let's just ride this pony to the horizon. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.